Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to turn off the eye comfort shield in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn the eye shield off, we have to go to settings. As you can see, eye shield is enabled. Our screen is a little more yellow, more comfortable for our eyes. We need to go to the display options right here, and eye comfort shield is here. So we can just turn it off by unchecking this box, or we can change intensity of our color change. Also we can change schedule. We can set the auto eye shield to be enabled, but we want to turn it off. So display, eye shield off, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.